My kids are in their grilled cheese sandwich stage, and if memory serves me correct, they're going to stay in their grilled cheese sandwich phase for the rest of their damn lives. Listen to me. This is a microwave kitchen tool that actually makes your sandwich like a panini. You can grill a cheese sandwich, or you can just grill stuff on here through your microwave. If you know anything about grilled cheese, it takes forever to do it the conventional route, and it's messy. This is not. You get a couple pieces of bread, maybe put some butter on it, put some cheese in there. Some people like mayonnaise on the outside. That is not me. And then this is rubber. You pop this down on the sandwich, pop it in the microwave, and you got a grilled cheese sandwich in like no time. Listen, I'll leave the information down there. Every kitchen needs one of these, and that's going to be the opening line on my next video, because every kitchen needs one of these. Am I right? That's so cool.